Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Electronics Arena. Today I am going to deal with the topic deterministic and non-deterministic signals. Here deterministic signals are those signals which can be completely specified in time. That means they can be predicted. Whereas coming to non-deterministic signals, these signals are also called as random signals. That means their occurrence cannot be predicted. They are always random in nature. Now if we come to the example point of view, let us see the example of deterministic signals. Deterministic signal can be a ramp signal. X of t is equals to bt. In this, the amplitude is increases linearly with time and the slope is b. Here x of t is the amplitude and b is the slope. If we take another example, x of t is equals to a sin omega t. For this signal, the amplitude varies sinusoidally with time and its maximum amplitude is a. If we take the non-deterministic signals or random signals, here in this signal, the occurrence is always random in nature and the pattern of such signals is quite irregular. Now, if we take a typical example of non-deterministic signal, it may be a noise signal or thermal noise signal or a electric circuit. So, these are the deterministic and non-deterministic signal. In other topic is periodic and non-periodic signals. Now, coming to the periodic signal, a periodic signal is which repeats itself after a fixed time period, and it can be mathematically represented as x of t is equals to x of t plus t naught. This is condition of periodicity. Here t naught is called the period of signal x of t. Now, examples of periodic signals may be sine wave, cosine wave, square wave. Now coming to the non-periodic signals, a signal which does not repeat itself after fixed time period is called non-periodic signal or a aperiodic signal. The non-periodic signals do not satisfy the condition of periodicity. That means here the condition of periodicity will fail. Sometimes it is said that an aperiodic signal has a time period is infinity and decaying with time, like example exponential signal. So this is about periodic signals and non-periodic signals. So in the next video we'll be dealing with other two types of signals. Till now this is the matter for deterministic and non-deterministic and periodic and non-periodic signals. So keep watching the channel and stay tuned.